If your world is surface preparation, such as removing leveling compounds, tile adhesive, trowel down epoxy coatings, that type of thing, then you would know that the fastest tool to remove that is the Impact PCD. Well, I should be saying, was the fastest tool. I want to introduce you to something new. The nerds in the Works Plus R&D department have recently come up with a brand new PCD tool. It's called
Shredda PCD.
And I'm just about to show you how it lives up to that name. Check out these 5 truncated PCD segments. They've been uniquely arranged to shred medium to thick surface contaminants. Inverted PCDs to create high point pressure for immediate penetration and shredding action. Someone call them the shredders. They've got significantly reduced drag or resistance on the grinding machine heads. That results in decreased strain and wear and tear on the machinery mechanical components, while still shredding. Integrated super hard bond diamond segment for depth control and increased lifespan. Large footprint and wide point distribution for smoother operation. So enough talking about the features, let's go see what these babies can actually do. So for this demonstration, Chris has slapped down some leveling compound on this side and some tile adhesive on this side. And it's fully cured, so it's nice and hard, it's ready to go. Let's run these babies. So for this application on a GK850, we're going to be running 6 per disc, so that's 18, a full set. But have a look at this. The amount of segments that you've got on the newer versus the Impact, that's actually going to run a whole lot easier with all of those extra points. Now don't start thinking it's not going to be aggressive. Is this going to be aggressive, Chris?
Yes, it definitely will be.
Impressive. Impressive the speed that it's going over the removing the softer product, being the tile adhesive or the leveling compound. What's really impressive is the condition it's leaving the flooring underneath. It's not looking attacked like it is from the Impact PCDs because they got so much extra weight on them. They tend to do a lot of damage to the surface. These PCDs is working very fast, but leaving the concrete beneath, pretty smooth and clean. I like that. That looked like you were just mowing through it with ease, but don't let me influence your questions or the answers to my questions. What did you think of the new PCD?
The stock removal was really impressive, but the thing that I think will help contractors the most is going to be the actual finish left behind after the PCDs have run over it. They clean up nicely, but looking at the surface, you're going to be able to keep moving on with your process. You won't have to go and rectify any problems. It's a nice smooth profile to keep moving with.
So say for instance, if we were going to go from this finish and we were going to polish the floor, what would be your next step after this?
I could probably run 50s with some grout just to start filling up the floor, but also help the 50s cut a little bit more, but there's no need for 30s after this.
That's impressive. Thanks, Chris.
No worries.
So if you don't believe me, you've now seen it run, you've heard it from Chris. The new
Shredda PCD
is where it's at, so make sure you give us a call and get yourself a set today.